How to use Try Life Insurance Sweden properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Try Life Insurance Sweden can be a lifeline for your family, but many policyholders make mistakes that cost them financially and emotionally. Most people get this wrong, but here's why understanding your coverage is so important. The first common mistake is choosing the wrong type of policy. Try offers both term life insurance for temporary coverage and whole life insurance for lifelong protection with potential savings growth. Selecting the wrong option can either leave your family underprotected or saddle you with unnecessarily high premiums. Another frequent error is underestimating coverage needs. Your policy should cover your mortgage, loans, everyday living costs, and future obligations like education or retirement for dependents. Failing to calculate these properly may leave your loved ones financially exposed if something happens to you. Neglecting beneficiary updates is a surprisingly common pitfall. Life changes such as marriage, divorce, or having children mean your policy should reflect the current situation. Overlooking this step can delay payouts or trigger disputes about who receives the insurance benefits. Optional add-ons or riders are also often ignored. Try provides riders like critical illness coverage, disability protection, or accident benefits. These extras can make a significant difference by providing financial support during unexpected events beyond the basic life insurance. Finally, many policyholders don't fully understand the cash value and loan features in permanent policies. Regularly reviewing your policy ensures you understand how your premiums accumulate, the growth potential, and any tax implications. To use Try Life Insurance Sweden effectively, pick the right policy type, maintain adequate coverage, update beneficiaries, consider riders for extra protection, and review your policy consistently. Doing this ensures your insurance works exactly as intended, giving peace of mind and real security for your family.